am so glad you're here. Today I'm showing you how to make a beautiful fall Mickey ears wreath. But first, make sure to hit subscribe and the alert button and check out my other videos if you enjoy crafts and DIYs with a little bit of Disney sprinkled in here and there. If you know me at all, you know that my family loves fall. One of our favorite things to do in the season is to go to Disney World. And since we can't be there this year, I'm sprinkling some hidden Mickey fall decor all around our home. So let's get started because this should be a fun one, and let's make this Mickey wreath. I have 3 grapevine wreaths for this, a 12-inch and 2 6-inch wreaths. And then I'm also using my hot glue gun, floral wire, cutting tools, and some assorted fall floral and ribbon bits and pieces. First, I'm attaching the smaller wreaths to the big one to make a Mickey ears shape. Floral wire is great for this, although you could also attach or reinforce them with hot glue. And you can always go back in with the wire to reinforce any sections as you see fit. Next, I'm making my bow. A bit of floral wire does absolute wonders for turning ribbons into bows. I'm also making a few smaller little loopies and bits of ribbon to stick in the wreath. I chose this burgundy as a contrasting color to my floral and the burlap for its difference in texture. Now it's time to play with the layout of the wreath. First, I'm separating some of the flowers and leaves from their stems so I have smaller pieces to work with while I figure out where everything needs to go and start attaching it to the wreath. I'm making sure to cover up the floral wire from earlier, and laying everything out before gluing it down just helps to get an idea of where everything will go before setting it in glue and making it kind of permanent. You don't want to be ripping your wreath out later. Once I've decided where everything goes, I'm fastening it all down bit by bit. The ribbon I'm wiring on and the hot glue works great for all of the floral. This is the most fun part for me because I can find the perfect place for each little bit. fill in any little gaps with extra floral. When I'm satisfied with the front of the wreath, I'm finishing it off by clipping any long pieces of wire off the back. And there it is, a perfect little autumn Mickey wreath. I am such a sucker for crunching through fall leaves and enjoying all the beautiful colors that come along with fall, but every part of the season is just so wonderful, and adding Mickey into the mix is just icing on the cake. So I hope you enjoyed this decor DIY. What's your favorite part of fall? Please let me know in the comments below, and hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please stay tuned to see more fall and Disney themed crafts and DIYs in the near future. That's all folks, and I hope to see you later. Bye!